Hey crafty friends, Jen Cascell here. I am back with a sneak peek of the June release over at Diva Designs. I'm not going to be showing all of the dies. I'm sure all of the girls are going to be sharing them on Instagram and here as well. But I just wanted to show you one of my unexpected favorites from this release. So June release is Dads, Grads, and Weddings. And I really wanted to focus on uh, using your dies in different ways in this. I don't have any dads, grads, or weddings happening in my life, but you can still use these dies. So this is the graduation owl. We are not going to be showing the actual die set. Just know that it is a larger die set. There are two packages of dies in here. So before we get started, here is her website, all of the info on the back. Make sure to use that hashtag #ScrapDivaDesigns for some amazing inspiration. And as always, if I've inspired you in any way, please feel free to use my coupon code Gen10 for 10% off your purchase at the shop. I super appreciate everyone who uses my coupon code and affiliate link. I do get a small kickback and it helps me continue to create free content for you guys. So let's talk about this grad owl. I'm going to show you, this is how the die is going to look if you put it together as is. This is a different die from this month's release. This is one of the school words dies. I did design these dies here. I didn't do the owl. And then I just backed it up on one of the banner embellishment dies that was released, it was a few months ago, but super cute die set. And I use it all the time. I will link it in the description box. When the June release becomes available, I will issue a link for that as well. But for now, they are not on the website. So I just wanted to give you a little preview. So the die comes with several different pieces. You have your layering piece in the back. This is your background die, and I did that in hot pink. And then I did the stitched background in turquoise. I did the owl itself in pink, and this is all cardstock from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. This is their Encore line. I did some yellow accents. You have several different dies to put together the eyes. I did the beak. I ran that through twice. So the beak is one die, but you do have, there's an embossed curve on the beak. I just cut along that embossed curve to create the two-tone for it. You are also going to have, it does come with the set of wings. I did double up my wings on this. Then you have your claws, feet, whatever they are. Down here, I doubled those up and raised them up with, I did some foam with this, as you can see. This is one solid piece right here. I ended up cutting it twice just to give it a little added dimension. You do get the hat for this. I probably, if I was doing this again, I probably would have lifted the hat up, but I knew that I was going to do a little floral cluster on top, so I ended up just gluing it directly to the owl. These two are dies from Scrap Diva. These are some of her flower dies, and of course the ever-present leaves. Now, let's talk about how to use your die in different ways. So if you don't have a dad, grad, or wedding happening in your life, you can still use these dies. So as soon as I saw this, I knew what I wanted to do. And ta-da! She's so cute! All right, so I used the owl die a little differently. This time, I did not do the background for it. I just wanted an embellishment to put on my, this is the original jelly tote from Scrap Diva. And I pulled out, she had released a new collection, a Halloween collection. It was just shortly after Halloween. She did put it out. It wasn't like a big release or anything, but I grabbed it out because it's got so many cute elements to it. It's got all of her favorites. Like all of what I like about her paper collections is the fact that they match the dies so perfectly. Like she uses the images from the dies inside the collections. It's so cute. So like I said, I did this as an embellishment. I didn't add the background layers. I'm going to call her Crazy Eye because I ended up messing up this eye a little bit when I put it on, but oh well, it's still cute as heck. And it's Halloween, so she has crazy eyes. This is the witch hat die set. I did design this die for her and I did it as a half, as you can see here. I do have a video on how I did this, and I will link it in the description box as well. I did this half hat design for another jelly tote. I think it was the witch hat jelly tote that I did it for, and I'll link it. It's not hard to do at all. It actually saves a lot of cutting. Um, this spider web comes with the die set. Here's just some of the ephemera from the collection. This is a sneak peek at one of the new bows that came out. This coming June, you're going to be seeing this bow, and it's so cute. I love the little scalloped layer to it. I did the spiderweb mini album. I just did the spiderweb itself. Boo Squad down here. Squad is going to be one of the word collections that are coming out this June as well. The Boo is from the Ghost Word tag set. And then I have some more ephemera from the collection. So using this die, when I put it together a second time, I did things a little differently. So up here, I used that wing die as kind of like an eyebrow. I popped it on before I added my crazy eye here. Once again, I did that beak twice, cut it out right along that curve. Um, Doing the wings twice too, that you don't need to with the die. I just wanted to add a little added dimension, add a little color to it. And then I just cut off that graduation cap so that I could place my witch hat on top. You can kind of see it a little more in here, but I love this. This is so cute. Like I said, paper from 12 by 12 cardstock shop. Um, Love that sequin glitter cardstock, holographic cardstock, glitter cardstock. They have the best cardstock, you guys. I love it. I mean, look at that Starry Night black glitter. So pretty. Love it. So thank you. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my favorite die from the new release. I am going to pop in a little later this weekend, probably, with another release video for the June release. Give you a little sneak peek of everything that I've been working on. Now, this June release is coming out on the 5th of June. Erica is on vacation right now, so we're going to delay that release a little bit. I do have a couple ideas. I've been working hard with this June release, and it's been a lot of fun. So check back, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafty content. I'll see you in the next crafty video. Bye.